Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Livingston County in central Illinois, southwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:34 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Odell, or near Dwight, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Coal City, Minooka, Simon, Diamond, Lakewood Shores, Maughan, Channahon, Braceville, South Wilmington, Kingsman, Braidwood, Reddick, Godley, East Brooklyn, Odell, Gardner, Dwight, Morris, Verona, Essex, Elwood, Wilmington, Carbondale, and Manhattan. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for central, north central, and northeastern Illinois. Tornado watch number 255 remains in effect.